Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So the first pack of my Amazon order got here. It's a pack of UV resin, the 500, and I have another one of these coming and some other stuff that I'll film. I have everything linked down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. So I wanted to show what you get in the box. You get 2 of these 250 gram UV resin, and you get 2 of these lids. Then you get 2 stir sticks, and you also get 2 of these little silicone cups. Excuse my nails, I still gotta take them off. Wait, like I was saying before my phone shut off, the other part of my Amazon stuff came in. So the other thing of UV resin, like the last one, I'm not gonna show this because it's the same thing. And then I got a bunch of I got these earring holders. Not earring holders, what are they called? It's the little, it's for earrings. I thought this also came with the notches for the necklace, but I don't see it. So I'm gonna have to make notches for necklaces on this. But this is a 200 pack, so it came with these, and it also came with this one. So this is supposed to be 200. No, I think it's 400 plus. Not 200, 400 plus things, because I need them to put all the earrings that I made onto, and I'm gonna have to cut little slots in the corner to fit the necklaces. Excuse me, just burped. And then later on, depending on how much I end up selling, hopefully I'm gonna have to get more resin. They have like a bigger one of this. It's like 1,000, so I might do that. So this is the last bit of the Amazon stuff that I was waiting for. I was waiting for these nail molds. I mainly was getting it for these, which I can't wait to use. And then there's some over here that are different. And these look like stones molds, which they're all different. So this 5-pack was cheaper than what it would have been individually on AliExpress, which I was looking at. So that is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye.